So good morning students. So this class we are going to discuss about comparator. Comparator is a combinational circuit which is used to compare the 2-bit binary number or 3-bit binary number. So the comparison of two numbers is an operation that determines if one number is greater than or less than or equal to other number. A comparator is a CLC that compares two number A and B and determine their relative magnitudes. The outcome of the comparison is specified by three binary variables that indicate whether A greater than B, A equal to B or A less than B. It has two inputs and three outputs. One output is if A greater than B, A equal to B or A less than B. So this is a comparator circuit. And this slide shows the truth table of comparator and a logic diagram and a functional block diagram. So in functional block diagram, CLC, that is combination logic circuit, that is 1-bit comparator. So A, B are the inputs, Y, A less than B, A greater than B, A equal to B. 3 are the outputs. So in truth table, 2 input means we have 4 combination. That is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So A equal to B output is if 0, 0 are equal, so that will be 1, 1, 1 are equal, that will be 1. The remaining are 0. Y, A greater than B, which is equal to 1, 0. The third combination 1, 0. So A will be greater than B. So that will be 1, the remaining will be 0. Similarly, A less than B. In second combination 0, 1. A less than B. So that will be 1, the remaining will be 0. So that is the truth table. So here Y A equal to B means XOR gate truth table. That is complement X NOR gate. Remaining will be A naught B bar, B naught A bar. So in that truth table using K-map also we can design, but it is very difficult to design. So because we can directly get the expression and then you draw the logic diagram. So here A, B are the inputs, A equal to B, A less than B, A greater than B. These are the outputs. So according to the expression, the gate will be formed. The corresponding input will be given to the corresponding gate and output will be A equal to B, A greater than B, A less than B. So this is a logic diagram for comparator. So the next is multiplexer. What does it mean multiplexer? Multiplexer is also called data selector. Multiplexing means transmitting a large number of information units over a smaller number of channels or lines. A digital multiplexer is CLC that selects binary information from one of many inputs lines and directs it to a single output line. The selection of a particular input line is controlled by a selection lines. So this plot shows a mux. Mux means multiplexing. 2 power n input, 1 output, many into 1. So that is nothing but multiplexing. So here we are having two selection lines, that is data selector, that is S0, S1. So here we are having 2 power n input, 2 selection lines and only 1 output. So this is nothing but multiplexer. So the design procedure, so AND gates used to represents inputs, OR gate to collect the input, and NOT gate to invert the input. So this example shows design 4 into 1 multiplexer. So we can design 8 into 1 mux also, that is 2 power 3 into 1. So here, number of inputs 4, which is equal to 2 power 2. Number of outputs 1. Number of selection lines 2. So the truth table will be selection lines S0 and S1. So 2 combination, 2 power n means 4 combination 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, and output will be Y. That is I0, I1, I2, I3. So this block shows the block diagram of multiplexer 4:1. The inputs are 0, 1, 2, 3. Selection lines are S0, S1, output Y. So this is a logic diagram for 4:1 multiplexer. So here we are having 4 input and 1 output. What are the 4 inputs? I0, I1, I2, I3. So these are the inputs and Y is the output. So here we are having selection lines S0 and S1. So that will be complemented and according to the input that will be given to the corresponding gates, that is AND gate. And then the AND gate output will be given to the OR gate, and the output of the OR gate will be the output, that is Y. So this is a logic diagram for mux. So if you are going to design 8 into 1 means 2 power 3 into 1. So here we are having I0 to I7 input. We are having 3 selection lines S0, S1, S2 from 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1. So here we are using 8 AND gates, 3 NOT gate, 1 OR gate. This is a design procedure for 8 into 1 mux. Many into 1, that is nothing but multiplexer, that is data selector. If you have 2 input means you have 2 selection lines, that is S0 and S1. If you have 3 selection line means S0, S1, S2 means 8 into 1 multiplexer. So next class we discussed next topic.